The Perils of Consulting Dr. Google, Why You Shouldn't Rely on the Internet for Medical Advice. In today's digital age, the Internet is a boundless source of information, offering quick answers to almost any question. When it comes to health, millions of people turn to Dr. Google to self-diagnose symptoms, seek advice, or even find treatment plans. While it may seem convenient and efficient, relying on internet searches for medical advice is fraught with risks. Here are several compelling reasons why we should avoid discussing our health symptoms and seeking advice from Dr. Google. Misdiagnosis and overdiagnosis. One of the most significant dangers of using the internet for health advice is the high likelihood of misdiagnosis. Symptoms of different diseases often overlap, and without professional medical training, it can be difficult to accurately interpret them. For example, a simple headache could be caused by anything from stress to a migraine, dehydration, or, in rare cases, a brain tumor. A quick online search might list all these possibilities, leading to unnecessary panic or, conversely, a false sense of security. Overdiagnosis is another concern. When people search their symptoms online, they are often bombarded with worst-case scenarios. This can lead to unnecessary worry, prompting them to believe they have serious conditions like cancer or heart disease when they might just have a minor issue. Such misinterpretations can cause significant anxiety, leading to unnecessary doctor visits, expensive tests, and undue stress. Inaccurate and unverified information. The Internet is a vast repository of information, but not all of it is reliable. Anyone can publish medical content online, regardless of their qualifications or expertise. Many websites lack proper citations, and some even promote unproven or dangerous treatments. For example, some sites may advocate for home remedies or alternative treatments that are not backed by scientific evidence, which can delay proper medical care or worsen the condition. Furthermore, online forums and social media platforms are rife with anecdotal advice and personal experiences that may not apply universally. What worked for one person may not work for another due to differences in medical history, genetics, and other individual factors. Relying on such information can be misleading and potentially harmful. Delayed professional treatment. Self-diagnosis through Dr. Google can lead to delays in seeking professional medical care. If an individual believes they have accurately diagnosed their condition based on online research, they might opt to treat themselves rather than consult a doctor. This can result in the condition worsening, as underlying issues remain unaddressed. For instance, what might seem like a harmless skin rash could be a symptom of a more serious underlying condition that requires medical intervention. Delays in seeking proper medical advice can be particularly dangerous for time-sensitive conditions like infections, heart attacks, or strokes. In such cases, every minute counts, and relying on internet searches instead of seeking immediate medical help can have life-threatening consequences. Psychological impact. The psychological impact of consulting Dr. Google should not be underestimated. Constantly searching for symptoms and reading about potential diseases can lead to health anxiety, a condition where individuals become excessively worried about their health. This can create a vicious cycle. The more they search, the more they worry, and the more they search again for reassurance, which never comes. Moreover, the overwhelming amount of information available online can lead to information overload. making it difficult for individuals to process and assess what is relevant to their situation. This can increase stress and anxiety, particularly when faced with complex medical information that is hard to understand without a background in healthcare. Ethical and privacy concerns. Finally, discussing health symptoms online can raise ethical and privacy concerns. Many health-related websites track users' data, which can be used for targeted advertising or sold to third parties. This compromises personal privacy, especially when sensitive health information is involved. Moreover, online discussions in forums or social media can expose individuals to unsolicited advice, judgment, or even cyberbullying, which can negatively impact their mental well-being. In conclusion, while the Internet can be a valuable resource for general health education, it should not replace professional medical advice. The risks of misdiagnosis, overdiagnosis, inaccurate information, delayed treatment, psychological impact, and privacy concerns make it clear that consulting Dr. Google is not a substitute for seeing a healthcare professional. When it comes to health, it is always safer and more effective to rely on trained medical experts who can provide personalized, accurate, and evidence-based care. Thanks for watching this video.